Some weather alerts that we have to let people know at home about, right, KJ?
That's right, guys. As you get ready for bed tonight, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch. It's in effect until 4 a.m., so this is going to be ongoing throughout the overnight hours for those of you in the mountains for tonight. Shaded in yellow here from Ashe, Watauga, from Avery, Watauga, and Ashe counties for tonight. Most of the area, you're not going to deal with severe weather overnight, but I do want to focus in on the mountains right now as we do have a tornado warning storm that is moving towards Mountain City right now, eventually moving into our area, and this is going to be Ashe County. So looking at Clifton right now at about 30 miles per hour, could arrive in Clifton by at least 11:45 for tonight as this cell continues to hold together and make its way towards the east. So it is something we will watch, and the main concern is just southeast of Bristol for tonight. Some signs of rotation right in here as it moves towards Mountain City. So if you are in Ashe County and watching me for tonight, you want to make sure you get to the lowest floor of your home and stay there. You may just have to ride out the overnight hours on the lowest floor. If that's not your bedroom, then make sure you at least get there and be in a safe place for tonight. And we'll continue to watch it. If it does drift towards the south and east, moving towards Meat Camp, also towards Boone for tonight, as we're starting to see a subtle shift to the south and east. It is something we will continue to watch because the atmosphere is unstable tonight, and it will certainly support even during the late night hours. Typically, we're looking at that instability, say, during the heating of the day, but we do have the support for severe weather overnight for the mountains. As you can see, these storms are ongoing now, crossing over from Tennessee into western North Carolina, and with that severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 4 a.m. Here's a look right now, taking you hour by hour throughout the overnight. We'll start the clock here at 11 p.m. tonight, so you can see where we do have some clusters showing up here. But notice as we advance the clock, most of this is going to lift towards the east and northeast, so it's not likely to cover a lot of ground across much of the Piedmont for tonight. Through 3 a.m., we could have ongoing showers and thunderstorms. This line could break up some. However, we do anticipate some strong wind gusts. Also, we're looking at some heavy rainfall and lightning at least until 4 to 5 a.m. into the morning. By 7 a.m. tomorrow, lingering cloud cover, a few isolated showers, but notice how we'll have these showers regenerating into the afternoon for the metro areas north of Charlotte for Tuesday afternoon, and then we'll begin to see conditions improving and drying out late Tuesday evening after sunset. Also tomorrow, a heat advisory in effect from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. We'll have another chance for those afternoon severe thunderstorms. This is that heat advisory for tomorrow, primarily for the coastal regions and parts of the Piedmont, because we do have the potential for the heat indices. That feels like temperature between 100 and 106 tomorrow. Some areas could get as high as 108 or 109. So we have the heat and the storms for tomorrow. Tonight, ongoing showers and thunderstorms in the mountains could be severe tomorrow afternoon across the metro. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll see some relief from the heat and also drying out into the weekend.